device, and in front of me is OPPO K10x, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first enroll settings, then scroll down and enroll additional settings, pick backup and reset, and here go to reset phone. Now you will see all the reset options that you have and choose reset all settings. And now if you truly want to reset all settings including network settings, just mark reset all settings, confirm. If you do have kind of lock screen pattern, pin code, password, maybe fingerprint, you will have to provide it before the final erasal of data. And as you can see, system settings have been reset. You can see the difference even in the brightness and dark mode or light mode in this case. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.